So you also wanted to grow your Instagram, but your profile is just okay. You need to make your profile look amazing. Let's get started. There is an app called gbox or gbox available for both Android and iOS if you are running on iOS 11 or above. It is a basic app but rich app with different features which are just amazing for any Instagram users. It provides you features like 9 grid image, swipe image, HTTP viewer, space header, no crop pose. You can even split a video in that app. It also provides you glitch effect. It is a complete app for an Instagram user. It also has a paid version which just unlock two more features for you guys, so you just don't need that. So if this video was helpful to you guys, then don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, hasta la vista.